What's up, YouTube? Blackberry is reporting earnings here today, like right now, at some point between now and after hours close. I don't know the exact time. It just says after market close. So, I mean, anytime between now and 8 p.m. Eastern. I did some back testing. There were 7 companies that posted earnings today. 6 were red, anywhere between 2 and like 9%, 11% actually. One was green, JBL, and it was green like 1.6%. It was barely green. So basically, my thesis, and I started this because of Walmart. Okay, Walmart posted billions in profit, billions. Okay, but its forward guidance was lowered because of what's happening, the interest rates, inflation. Okay, big Walmart went down 8% after its earnings. 8. We're not looking to hit home runs here. We're just looking to make a quick, some free money, virtually free money in my opinion, same day. Because you can close it today. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. Short actual shares, the cost to borrow is 0%. You won't pay anything to short the shares. You just have to have the margin space. But I mean, it's a $5 stock. So after hours, you saw a massive 145,000 short red candle, and then another one that was 8,500, and then another one that was 4,000. And then you have these permabulls in like stock tweets. They're like, oh yeah, it's happening. Because the next 3 bars were green. They totaled 5,000 volume. One of the bars was 1,500. Nobody's buying this thing, guys. This is like an old meme, long since dead. I mean, it does have a legitimate business. It does have a legitimate like commercial business side to it. But I mean, it's performing the way it's going to perform. It's not like it's going to have some crazy beat and it's going to pop off and run. Just to add to that, okay, 5 insiders sold shares today. They were given shares as part of probably their quarterly bonus or annual bonus, and they all sold them. Billy Ho, Philip Kurtz, Steve Rye, Nita Ivy White, or White Ivy, and then Mark Wilson. They all sold, and they sold at $5.13 a share. Insider selling from executives the day of earnings. I mean, you couldn't have timed that any better. They know what's coming. Otherwise, they're just not going to sell. They'll just wait a week or two, and then they'll sell. Okay? So if you're looking for like a quick scalp, probably, right? Nothing is guaranteed in life, okay? I'm thinking anywhere between 20 cents and 50 cents. 50 cents from 5, that'd be 20%, right? So, sorry, 10, 20. It's been a long day. Been a bit of a long day. 10%. That's not unreasonable. And then 20 cents is borderline nothing. It's 4%. So those are kind of my targets. But I mean, like, look, you throw 10K at it, you get 4%. You get $400. Just kind of on a whim, end of day, end of a Tuesday. Just here's $400. I shorted 1,000 shares, and earlier in the day, just went before market closed, I shorted 27 options. Because you have to hold those till tomorrow, so who knows what happens. Worst case scenario, it kind of stays where it's at, and then you just get out of the play, and who cares? I mean, it's barely fluctuated today at all. Again, not looking for a massive home run here, just offering kind of like a free money play for you guys. Tomorrow will be Bed Bath & Beyond, and we'll be shorting that. Been flipping puts on it all week. Made almost 1,000 each day for the last 3 days. But tomorrow I will be holding and going in deep on it, and expecting the same, maybe even a bit worse, okay? Because of everything that's happened there. CEO left. CFO jumped out of a building. Ryan Cohen left. Most of retail has left. The message board is pretty dead. They took out a loan for $500 million, even though they're only worth $500 million, and their revenue in the last year was minus $870 million. I don't know who's lending the money at that when they don't make money, but whatever. They closed over 100 stores. They did a 13 million share dilution offering, so their shares have gone up. Why they're trading below above $4 right now is literally a mystery. It's one of those unsolved mysteries of our universe, because they were $4 and change before the big run up last month, or in August. They were $4 and change, and now they're like $6.40. I'm expecting it to go around like $5, maybe like $5.50. And if it's real bad, it's supposed to be bad. It's supposed to be minus $1.59, $1.59 EPS, but that's expected. So I don't know how they're gonna react to that. Like, is that priced in, or are they waiting for them to say it and then they're really gonna hammer this thing? Because this time last year they were plus 5 cents. So you're going to go from plus 5 cents a share EPS to minus $1.59. Like, that's nuts. They had massive insider selling. They sold over $100 million of shares. Insider selling. Like, massive. Okay, $100 million, and the company's worth $500 million. They sold 20% of the company. Insiders. So, mostly Cohen was part of that too, right? He used retail, put out a tweet, a couple happy tweets, and a bunch of retail ate it up, and they probably got owned. But here's your chance to make some of it back, okay? You're buying puts on it tomorrow into close probably, or you're physically shorting shares. On that one, however, the cost to borrow is 11.97%, and the margin requirement is 300%. So it's not expensive at all. That's a yearly. Who cares? And you're probably going to just hold it the one day, and then when it craters tomorrow, or it's certainly going to go down. Almost no company is green after earnings right now. It's just the environment, okay? But yeah, I mean, it's 300% margin requirement. That means for every dollar you're shorting it, you need 3. So if you want to short it 10 grand, you need 30 grand. So puts is the way to go on that, because that doesn't really take that into account. Hope you guys liked the video. That's what I got for you today. Cheers.